We provide a dishwasher at Treetops House, and this video explains how to use it. It is just to the left of the sink in this door here. So open up, just pull open the handle. You just push the door all the way down. You'll have a top and a bottom drawer. To open up, just pull open the drawers. Now, to use the dishwasher, you'll need a tablet. Now, we provide these. These are located just to the right in the cupboard. And you'll find them down here. These are dishwasher tablets. Those are for the washing machine, and it's labelled dishwasher. So you just take one of those and you put it in the machine. So you put it in here, and then you just push this close. It will click, and that means it's all ready. So to turn on the dishwasher, you push the on-off button. It will turn on the lights. We have eco, which is what the presetting is. Make sure that this is illuminated for tablets. And if you have a half load, just push this button for half load. To start the machine, you just push this button here. And then what will happen is the red light will come on, as such. And then all you need to do is shut the door and the machine will turn on. And that's how to use the dishwasher. Thank you.